Hello everybody, welcome to Buchitocards. Today we have something really cool. So let's see if we're lucky. McDonald's has a really cool collaboration right now with Pokemon. So every time you buy a Happy Meal, this is what you get. Normally I always buy a cheeseburger, but this time I got chicken nuggets. Delicious. And of course French fries. You really have to try the chicken nuggets with mustard, trust me. But now let's focus on what's important. Pokemon. Inside you get a booster pack, of course. A really cool poster. Look at this. Some stickers. Because behind the poster you can paste them. Look here. And now let's see which cards we get. Oh, next time I have to open the booster pack the other side so we don't see the best card at the beginning. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching and see you tomorrow. Ciao!